Okay, Neale. Now let's have some fun. I think that usually people connect spirituality with something serious, so we want to show that this is the light and uplifting energy. So we prepared 4 funny questions with Neale.
Okay. Goodbye.
Oh, you're already back.
Okay. So
Try to get funny with me.
So our first question is, what does God think about black humor?
It's very dark.
Okay.
All humor is good humor as long as it doesn't hurt anybody. If we have to laugh really at the dark side and the light side of life. I don't want to get serious, but truly, and that would be God's answer, I'm sure. As long as humor is never used to sting or hurt or injure someone.
Then you're doing just fine.
I'm doing just fine.
You're doing just fine. Okay.
Okay, now, one very serious question. Why did God create mosquitoes? Oh, did this bite you or what? Why would he do that?
Because he was thirsty and knew no other way to get to your blood.
I don't want to share my blood.
You don't have any choice.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay, Neale, you know, they say that God sees everything.
That's right, so be careful in your bedroom.
That is my question. Does he see me maybe in the shower?
Yes, he sees you in the shower, which is wonderful. He sees him in the shower, which is not so wonderful. But yes, God sees everything. So beware. And hears everything as well. So be careful.
Okay, and last question. Why did God create so many mother-in-law jokes and almost none for fathers-in-law? Is that because we call God he?
Okay. But you see, dragi Slovenci, duhovnost je tudi zabavna in to ne bo primanjkovalo na seminarju z Nealom Donaldom Walschem 19. in 20. januarja na Gospodarskem razstavišču v Ljubljani.
In svojo vstopnico si lahko zagotovite na naši spletni strani www.potovanje.si, lahko je pa najdete tudi na Eventimovih prodajnih mestih Petrolu, mojekarte.si in frizerski salon Snip Snap v Domžalah.
Lepo se imejte.